Power, performance, capability, and capacity. Allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in bright white. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, remote start system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 90966A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.